Hi, you're watching Dasavera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. Ludhiana is a smart city, but solid waste, it is a big problem for the residents of Ludhiana as well as for the administration. We are at present standing at the vegetable market here at Bhadarke Road. So you can see huge amount of unprocessed garbage is dumped over here. So we are showing you the visuals here at the vegetable market where huge amount of unprocessed garbage is dumped over here, and few years back the static compactor was installed here by the administration, by the municipal corporation, and it was inaugurated by MLA itself, but still you can see huge amount of garbage is lying over here, and the matter is now in the NGT. We are having with us a member of PAC, Kapil Arora, who is taking up this issue in NGT. Kapil Arora ji, what is this issue? Please brief about this issue and what is the recent update?
Okay, we had filed one petition before the Honorable NGT in the year 2023. When we came to know about that the Mandi board is burying, that is dumping the garbage after excavating the soil into the ground without any processing and in an unscientific manner. The case was heard by the NGT, and NGT directed for the formulation of a committee comprising of district magistrate, PPCB and Municipal Corporation Ludhiana. And the PPCB submitted a report directing the Mandi board to process the garbage within the premises as per the solid waste management rules 2016, and also directed the Mandi board to strictly prohibit the single use plastic within the Mandi premises.
Right.
But no action was taken by Mandi, and after some time the case was reopened by the Honorable NGT. And in the month of January 2025, the case was heard once again, and we produced many facts regarding the dumping of garbage which is laying at the various places within the Mandi board. Huge amount of garbage is being dumped on the daily basis, and even the garbage is being burnt by the Mandi board officers
Okay.
in active connivance with the contractor which has been engaged by him.
Right. So, sir, static compactor has been installed, and it was said that no garbage dump will be it will be dumped outside the static compactor. Every garbage will be processed. So, at present, what we are seeing is the huge amount of garbage dump is lying over here in this huge empty plot. What do you believe that are these static compactors, are these functional, or what is the working going on over here?
The static compactors are useless in Ludhiana because the operators don't know how to operate them. Even many static compactors have, you can there is a fault arise after the corporation employees operated the static compactor in without having any knowledge regarding them.
Right.
And you can see the static compactor was installed in the month of October or November 2024. And at that time there was very less garbage here at this location. But after the installation of static compactor, the garbage has increased many folds. Now the estimated amount, as per our opinion, the garbage must be around 15,000 metric ton within this mandi, which is a huge quantity, and we don't know how they will process it. And definitely it was duty of the mandi board officers to keep check on these things, and they should have asked the contractor, directed the contractor to process the garbage which is being generated on daily basis within the mandi. And around, as per the report submitted by the DGM of Mandi board, around 20 metric ton of garbage is being generated on the daily basis, but it is not being processed there because not even a single processing unit has been installed within this premises.
And sir, now what is the recent order by NGT? As you can, there was order that order to some DGN and directions to PPCB as well.
Yesterday the hearing was held again on the 10th of July. The DGM of Mandi board appeared personally because she was directed to appear before the NGT in the last hearing. And during the hearing, the DGM submitted that she has no knowledge regarding the quantity of garbage which is laying at Mandi board.
Right.
Despite knowing the fact that she had submitted a reply, which was submitted in the month of, I think, May 2025, in which she has submitted that around 10,000, more than 10,000 cubic meter of garbage is here, lying here, which means around 8,000 metric ton. But according to us, the garbage was be around 15,000 metric tons at present. And since she failed to explain regarding the condition of the mandi, the honorable entity has directed her to file the personal affidavit within next 2 weeks regarding the quantity of garbage laying at mandi as on the date of filing of the affidavit. Secondly, the honorable bench has also directed the Punjab Pollution Control Board to visit the site again and file the submit the report regarding the quantity of legacy waste, which means, and the bench has also directed the mandi board, DGM mandi board, to file the affidavit regarding processing being done by the method of processing, the quantity of waste being generated on the daily basis, as well as the handling of that waste on daily basis. That is why whether the garbage is being processed or not, how what type of methods are being adopted by the mandi board to process the garbage.
So, as NGT has given orders to DGM to file a personal affidavit about the present quantity of solid waste lying over here, as well as direction to PPCB, we are having with us a resident of the area who is just residing beside this dump. Sir, what is your name?
ਭੁਪਿੰਦਰ ਸੂਦ
Rupinder ji, what kind of inconvenience residents are facing over here due to this dump?
ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਰਹਿ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾ ਰਹੇ ਜੀ, ਨਾ ਹੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਰਟੀ ਸੇਲ ਹੋ ਪਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, ਨਾ ਹੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਪਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਨਾ ਹੀ ਰਹਿ ਪਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਇੱਥੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਦਬੂ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਹੀ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੇਖ ਹੀ ਲਿਆ ਐਵੀਡੈਂਸ। ਮੰਡੀ ਬੋਰਡ ਜਦੋਂ ਉਦਘਾਟਨ ਕਰਕੇ ਗਏ ਐਮਐਲਏ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਲਿਫਾਫਾ ਵੀ ਬਾਹਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਪਰ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਮੁੰਦਰ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਕੂੜੇ ਦਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਜੀ। ਇੱਥੇ ਖੜਨਾ ਵੀ ਮੁਸ਼ਕਿਲ ਹੈ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਇਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਫੇਸ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਕੈਮਰਾ ਚਾਹੇ ਚਾਰੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਘੁਮਾ ਕੇ ਦੇਖੋ, ਬਹੁਤ ਬੁਰਾ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ ਸਾਡਾ। ਅਸੀਂ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਾਸਨ ਨੂੰ ਅਪੀਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਜੀਣ ਦਾ ਹੱਕ ਤਾਂ ਦਿਓ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਜੀਣ ਦਾ ਹੱਕ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਇੱਥੇ।
ਸਰ, ਇੱਥੇ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਅੱਗ ਲੱਗਦੀ, ਪਿੱਛੇ ਕੁਝ ਇਨਸੀਡੈਂਟਸ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਜੇ ਰਿਪੋਰਟ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਫਾਇਰ ਇੱਥੇ ਲੱਗੀ ਸੀਗੀ, ਤੇ ਉਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਜੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਨਸੀਡੈਂਟਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਜਿਸ ਟਾਈਪ ਦਾ ਮੌਜੂਦ ਹਾਲਾਤ ਨੇ ਇੱਥੇ, ਉਹ ਕਿਸ ਟਾਈਪ ਦੀ ਇਨਕਨਵੀਨੀਅੰਸ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਮਤਲਬ ਫੇਸ ਹੋਣ ਨੂੰ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ?
ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਜੀ, ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਮੰਡੀ ਬੋਰਡ ਕੂੜਾ ਚੱਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾਉਂਦਾ ਜੀ, ਫਿਰ ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਇਹਦਾ ਹੱਲ ਕੱਢਦੇ ਨੇ, ਅੱਗ ਲਾ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਜੀ। ਆਏ ਦਿਨ ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਗ ਦੀਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਧੂਏ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਡੇ ਘਰ ਭਰ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਰਿਸ਼ਤੇਦਾਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਘਰੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਰਹਿਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ, ਬਿਮਾਰੀਆਂ ਹੋ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜੀ, ਬੱਚੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਬਿਮਾਰ ਪੈ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ, ਕੋਈ ਸਕਿਨ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਹੋ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਅਲੱਗ-ਅਲੱਗ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ, ਕਦੇ ਮੱਛਰ ਮੱਖੀ ਗੰਦਾ। ਇਹ ਇਨਵਾਇਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਇਨਸਾਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਰਹਿਣ ਲਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਇਹ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਕੋਈ ਸਵੱਛ ਭਾਰਤ ਅਭਿਆਨ ਦਾ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਬਣਨਾ, ਲੁਧਿਆਣੇ ਨੇ ਸਮਾਰਟ ਸਿਟੀ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਾਸਨ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਸਮਾਰਟ ਸਿਟੀ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਲੁਧਿਆਣੇ ਨੂੰ, ਇਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨਰਕ ਦੇ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜੀ। ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਾਸਨ ਪੂਰੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਫੇਲ ਹੈ ਇੱਥੇ।
ਤੇ ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਟਸ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਪਰਸਨਲ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ ਐਫਰਟਸ ਵਾਰਾ ਕੀਤੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਐਡਮਿਨਿਸਟ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਥਰੂ ਜਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ
ਐਡਮਿਨਿਸਟ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਨੂੰ ਅਪੀਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਅਸੀਂ ਐਡਮਿਨਿਸਟ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਕੋਲੇ ਗਏ, ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਕੁਐਸਟ ਕੀਤੀ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਨਰਕ 'ਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਧੱਕ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਇਹ ਸਾਡੀ ਕੋਈ ਗਲਤੀ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਜਿਹਦੀ ਸਜ਼ਾ ਮਿਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਪਰ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਕੋਲੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਜੀ, ਹੁਣ ਉਹੀ ਐਮਐਲਏ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਤਾਂ ਉਦਘਾਟਨ ਕਰਕੇ ਗਏ ਨੇ, ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਜੀ ਉਹੀ ਤਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਾਸ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। ਤੇ ਕਪਿਲ ਸਰ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਕੀਤੀ ਐਨਜੀਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ, ਉੱਥੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਰਟ ਦੇ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨਿਆਂ ਦਿਵਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ। ਅਸੀਂ ਹੋਪ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਆਨਰੇਬਲ ਕੋਰਟ ਸਾਡੀ ਮੰਗ ਨੂੰ ਸੁਣੇ ਔਰ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਕੂੜੇ ਤੋਂ ਨਿਜਾਤ ਦਿਵਾਵੇ।
So residents are even upset due to this dump over here at vegetable market. You can see huge amount of dump is there which is lying unprocessed over here, and now matter is in NGT, and recently yesterday NGT had ordered DGM to file personal affidavit regarding this, as well as issued direction to PPCB as well. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to The Savera for more updates. Follow us both on Facebook and YouTube, and also download our mobile application. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.